Algebra question 8 on day 17. Let's read the question. Here we go. Ready? Lala had 15 meters of cloth. 15 meters. 1 meter is 100 cm. Just keep that in mind. 15 meters. How many cm is that? She cut 2y cm from it. She cut 2y cm. And she gave it to Bob. So there's a person by the name of Bob. She gave 2y cm of cloth to Bob. And she gave Lucas, there's another boy, Lucas, and she gave her 30 cm of the cloth, from this cloth. And she used all the remaining cloth to sew 7 identical dresses. If Lala used equal length of cloth for each dress, what is the length of cloth used for each dress? And you have to give your answer in cm. You see the stated length in cm here, cm here, and this is in meters. Now, what do I do? How do you do this question? Well, first of all, I'll draw a line in between, and I will write down the first step. We have 15 meters of cloth. Let's change it to cm. Why? Because the answer is supposed to be in cm. So 15 meters is equals to 15 times 100 cm, 1500 cm. Why do you times by 100? Well, because in every meter there's 100 cm. Then what do we do? Well, she cuts 2y cm from the cloth to give it to Bob. Let's assume this is 70. Okay, Bob, 70. So we are supposed to minus this, Bob, and she gave Lucas 30 cm. So Lucas, there's 30 cm. Bob, 30 cm, Lucas, 30 cm. 70 cm is not found in the question. I'm just simplifying it because some students get confused when we are using the y also, or 2y. So what do? You take 1500, you minus 70, you minus 30 to get the remaining amount of cloth. Alright, so this is step 1. We have listed here now. The step 2 is 1500 minus 70 minus 30, and you get 1400 cm. This is the amount of cloth Lala had left after giving Lucas and Bob some cloth. And the question states that she used all the remaining cloth to sew 7 identical dresses. So if you want to find the length that is used for each dress, step 3. What is step 3? This remaining amount of cloth divided by 7. We cover the 0. 14 divided by 7. 14 divided by 7. You get 2. Add the 2 zeros back. 1, 2. 200 cm. This is the answer. But this is not the actual answer to the question, because I have replaced 2y with 70 so that you can see the steps. Now let's do it with the 2y. Alright? First step is the same. 15 meters. You change it to cm. Why you change it to cm? Because the answer is supposed to be in cm. So let's change it now. So Bob has 2y cm of cloth, and Lucas has 30 cm of cloth. Alright? So what do we do? Step 2. Step 2 states that we take 1500, the amount of cloth, minus 2y and minus 30. So what do you get? 1500 minus 30. You cannot minus 2y, okay, because there's no y here. So you minus 30. 1500 minus 30, you get 1470. And do not forget your minus 2y here. Alright, we have just imagine we have now switched places. Okay, we have switched places. You minus the 30, you get 1470 and minus 2y. Step number 3. This remaining amount which is this down here in this example, we divide it by 7. Why? Because this amount of cloth is used for 7 dresses. We want to find out the amount of cloth used for each dress. So step number 3 is 1470 minus 2y divided by 7. You bracket it up, put a cm here, and that is the solution. All right. So if you don't get it, please follow the example again, go through the example again, the question again, and see the steps here. You understand the steps? We are following the exact same steps here. See you in question 3.